morning students. So the next experiment is going to be regarding measurement of gear tooth profile using gear tooth vernier calipers. So the aim of the experiment is to measure the thickness of the tooth of given gear specimen using gear tooth vernier calipers and compare it with the theoretical gear tooth thickness. So here before jumping to the apparatus part, so certain theory is given in your manual regarding different terminologies of the gear teeth like pitch circle diameter, addendum, dedendum circles. Okay, so you can just go through them so for your better understanding of the topic. So now let us proceed. So the apparatus required here will be gear tooth vernier. So again you require gears, which are nothing but your specimens whose teeth thickness you are going to be measuring, and again your normal vernier calipers. So these are the different specimen, different apparatus required for our experiment purpose. Okay students, so let us start with the procedure of the experiment. So here we are making use of the small gear for calculation of the thickness of the gear teeth. So first of all, you need to measure the outer diameter of the given gear specimen by making use of your vernier calipers. So you can just note down the main scale reading, vernier scale division, and you will be knowing the least count of the vernier calipers, by making use of which you can just calculate the outside diameter of the given gear specimen. So next thing is we have to calculate the depth of the gear teeth. So to calculate the depth of the gear teeth, we have to make use of the gear teeth vernier calipers. So again, just like the previous case, you can just note down the appropriate readings of main scale, vernier scale, and you will be knowing the least count of the given gear teeth vernier calipers. So by making use of these readings, you can calculate the depth of the teeth. So now you have to calculate the inner diameter of the given gear specimen. So for which we have to subtract the depth of the teeth which we just obtained by making use of the vernier gear caliper from the outside diameter which we measured using the vernier calipers. So when you subtract d minus the depth, you will be getting the inner diameter of the specimen. So the inner diameter of the specimen you will be getting. This is the inner diameter of the specimen. So once you calculate this, so next you can directly move on to the calculation part. So where we will be calculating the theoretical depth of the teeth, that is the thickness of the teeth, and then as well as you are also going to be calculating the thickness of the teeth by making use of the experimental values which we just obtained. So for that purpose, you have to note down some of the observations, which includes the number of teeth. So you can just count the number of teeth on your gear specimen. So you can just count them individually. So once you count them, so finally this should be noted down in the observations. So after all of these readings are noted down, and you can directly proceed to the calculation, and you can calculate the theoretical value for the thickness of the gear teeth as well as the experimental value, and then you have to calculate the percentage error in the measurement, that is the difference between the actual value as well as the theoretical value. So once you do this, the experiment is concluded. So theoretical part, calculation and all, everything is given in the manual. You can just go through it.